Hi guys, I'm Dina and today I'm going to talk to you about this amazing mobile stand. This stand is perfect for your office desks and more. It is made up of premium metal with water-repellent ceramic finish, giving you hassle-free and hands-free experience. It has an adjustable design which can take reshape according to your smartphone on the desk to give you perfect viewing angle. We can also adjust its height from 125 mm to 164 mm according to your needs. The anti-skid pads on the body prevents accidental slips and protection from scratches. Experience the perfect viewing angle with this amazing mobile stand.
In today's fast-paced world, our smartphones are our lifelines, serving multiple purposes from communication to entertainment. There's where phone accessories like holders, stands, and cradles come into play. These handy tools can make your life easier by providing convenience, security, and versatility for your smartphone. So let's dive into what you need to know when choosing those accessories. Types of phone accessories. Let's begin by understanding the different types of phone accessories available. Phone holders. These are designed to securely hold your phone in various settings. Whether it's in your car or your desk or for hands-free use, holders come in various forms to accommodate your specific needs. Phone stands. Stands are perfect for propping up your phone. Whether you are having a video call, watching videos, or using your phone as a secondary screen while working, stands offer a hands-free experience. Phone cradles. Cradles, on the other hand, provide more support and stability. They often come with adjustable angles, making them suitable for viewing or typing. Compatibility. Now that you have identified the type of accessory you need, it's crucial to ensure it's compatible with your phone's size and model. Some accessories are universal and fit a range of devices, while others are specifically designed for certain models. Mounting options. Consider how and where you want to mount your phone accessory. Common mounting options include dashboard mounts, air vent mounts, desk stands, and wall mounts. Choosing the right one depends on your usage scenario. Adjustability. Flexibility is the key. Look for accessories with adjustable features such as height, angle, and rotation. These allow you to customize your viewing or operating positions to your liking. Material and build quality. Durability matters. Choose accessories made from high-quality materials like aluminum or high-grade plastics. A well-constructed accessory ensures longevity and reliability. Stability and grip. Security is paramount. Select accessories that provide a secure grip on your phone, preventing accidental drops or slips. Ease of installation. Installation should be hassle-free. Some accessories use adhesive while others rely on clip or suction cups. Ensure it's easy to install and remove as needed. Additional features. Don't overlook the potential for extra features. Some phone holders and stands come with wireless charging capabilities, USB hubs, or cable management systems, adding functionality to convenience. Portability. If you need an accessory for on-the-go use, choose one that is compact and easy to carry. Foldable or collapsible designs are convenient for travel. Remember that the best phone accessory depends on your specific needs and usage patterns. Whether you need a phone holder for your car, a stand for your desk, or a cradle for hands-free video calls, the right accessory can enhance your smartphone experience and make daily tasks more convenient.
Presenting Ambrane Mobile Holding Tabletop Stand. It is available in black and white colors. This is a dynamic mobile stand for office desks that can hold any type of smartphone. Tree stand is made up of premium metal with a water-repellent ceramic finish for a hassle-free and hands-free experience. The box contains mobile holder. It offers height adjustment from 125 mm to 164 mm. The anti-skid pads on the body prevents accidental slips and protection from scratches. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.